Hey everyone, I'm Pranshak and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be solving the Leetcode daily challenge, which is largest number. So let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, we have been given a list of non-negative integer nums and we need to arrange them such that they form the largest number and we need to return that largest number. Okay, and since the result may be very large, so you need to return a string of integers. Okay, so let's see. So in this we have been given with an array of nums, of positive nums, and we need to arrange them in such a way that they forms the largest number. So see here two numbers are given and we can arrange them in two ways, either 10 1 0 2, either 10 will come first or 2 will come first, right? So among both of these, obviously 210 is greater, so our answer is 210. And in the second example, we have been given with 5 numbers and we can arrange them in various number of ways. So this is the one of the ways in which we can arrange and which gives us the maximum number, which gives us the largest number. Okay, so how we will arrange them? Okay, so can we first simply sort this array and then concatenate all these numbers to reach our largest number? Okay, we got to know that we can sort this array, but either we need to sort them in ascending or descending order. We can't simply sort them in ascending or descending order because here we are not talking about the largest number. See, here largest number was 34, but the starting number of our largest number is 9. So here we are not caring for the largest or the smallest number. We are caring for the number which starts with the largest digit, as among all these numbers 9 starts with the largest digit. That's why 9 is here. After this 5 is the greatest number. So 5 comes after 9. That's why. So we can't simply sort them in either ascending or descending order. We need to think for another way to sort it. Okay, so how we will sort it? Okay, now we know that we need to sort it according to the first digit of a number. Okay, but what if we have been given with 3, 30 and 34? Okay, let's say here are 7 places, right? Yes, cool. Now the first 9 is the greatest digit. Okay, after this 5 is the greatest digit. Okay, cool. But after this, here 3, 30 and 34, 3, 30 and 34, both, all of them starts with 3. Now which one to pick? Okay, now if we pick 30, then at this index we get 0. Okay, now let's say if we pick 34, then at this index we get 4. If we have picked 3, then at this index we must have get some other 3 of either of these numbers. So this is the largest. 4 is the largest among all of them. That's why we pick 34. Okay. Now among 3 and 30, let's say if we pick 30. Now at this index we get 0. If we pick 3, then at this index we get 30. Sorry, we get 3 of another digit, of another number, right? So which of them is largest? This is largest. 330 is largest or 303 is largest? Obviously 330 is largest. So we will pick 3 first and then 30, right? And this is our largest number. Okay, so what you have derived from here is that whenever comparing for two numbers, we will concatenate them, right, in both the ways, and we will check which of them is greater, or I would say which of them is larger, and we will return on that basis. So we will pick two numbers and then we will concatenate them and we will check which of them is larger, and in this way we will be able to sort our array so that we can get our largest number after concatenating all the numbers. Okay, so let's see how we can code it. So first of all, we will store the size of our vector in nums.size and we will initialize our string result Okay, now we need to first sort this array, right? Nums dot begin till nums dot end. And how we will need to sort is, we need to pick two numbers, concatenate them, and then check. So I will define a comparator function here as a lambda function. You can define it outside this function as well, whatever you want. Okay, so first I will concatenate both of them. How we will concatenate them? That is 2 string a plus 2 string b, right? And then opposite order, let's say temp1 and temp2, 2 string b plus 2 string a, right? And we will return on the basis of the greater number. Temp1 is greater than temp2, right? So in this way we can simply define our sort function. Okay, now we just need to return our string. So we will iterate in the complete vector and we will add all the numbers in our string, 2 string nums of I, right? And we will finally return our result. Okay, but if you are smart enough, or if you are thinking about edge cases, then I haven't covered one edge case in this question. So let me tell you that edge case as well. So let's say if our nums is something like 0 0 0, right? Then what we have returned is 0 0 0. Then, and in turn, obviously this is not any kind of valid integer. Instead of this we need to return this, right? So we haven't covered this edge case in our code. If our input is this, then according to our current code our output will be this, but it should be a simply 0, because after adding all these we should get an integer as 0. We should get our largest number as 0. Okay, so what we can do in this is, if nums of I is equals to 0, then we can simply return a 0 string and nothing else. We don't need to concatenate them. Okay, let's try run this. What I have, oh sorry, nums of 0 is equals to 0. Yeah, let's try submitting it. Yeah, it's working fine. So let me tell you its time complexity as well. So as we are sorting and then iterating the array, so its overall time complexity will become big O of n log n for sorting and then n for iterating the array, or we can say overall of big O of n log n, because n log n is bigger than big O of n, right? So yeah, that's all for this question. I hope you get it. If you still have any doubts, then you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.